the session.
No.
All right. So when we talk of IELTS exam, okay, basically this is your English language expertise exam. And this exam is further divided into 4 sets of tests. As you see on the screen, I have mentioned the duration of the test. I've also mentioned the number of questions asked in the test. Okay. We have a listening test where the audio will play and there are objective kind of questions. Something like select from the below options or filling the blanks. All the answers are in the audio that is playing. And the audio plays for about 30 minutes. You have to catch the answers while the audio is playing. Okay, you do not get a rewind button. And you get additional 10 minutes to transfer your answers from the question sheet to the answer sheet. So when you are listening to the audio, you have to write the answers in the question paper. And after that, you get additional 10 minutes just for transferring the answers. So is this part clear, what I told you about the listening test? You will get live samples of this as I begin the coaching. But what I'm trying to explain you right now is the pattern of the exam.
Okay.
Yeah. So
once I heard the audio, then
yeah.
I get the 10 minutes extra for that question, or
No,
overall
so
total 10
I
minutes.
will request Sandeep, you and Aditya, you also to unmute yourself and if possible, come on camera so that when I talk to you, I can see you as well. So you
Yeah.
will not get additional 10 minutes to hear the audio again. Okay. For example,
Okay.
right now, assume that I am an audio that is playing and I'm telling you a lot of things. Okay. So ahead, the audio will not play. You have to chalk down the answers while the audio is playing. And then
Okay.
you are writing the answers in the question paper. This is your question paper. You're writing the answers in the question paper. You get additional 10 minutes after the audio is over just to transfer the answers into the answer sheet. There's a separate answer sheet given because see, when you're listening and you're writing, you will write in hurry. You might make spelling mistakes because you are at
Right.
the
Right.
same time listening as well. However,
Correct.
when you have to be judged, they give you additional 10 minutes so that you can write the answers neatly. You can write the answers in proper spelling. You might have written in short forms when you are initially listening to the audio. But the skill here is to grab the answer while the audio continues to play. Okay? We'll move. Yeah,
What my confusion was, there were 40 question for the listening, right? You
correct.
mentioned over there.
Correct.
So if I get only 10 minutes for this all 40 question, then I think it's very less time for
No,
me.
you get the audio plays for 30 minutes. You get 30 minutes for all the 40 questions. And you have to write while the audio is playing. पूरा 30 minutes तक audio बजेगा. उन 30 minutes में जो 40 questions है उनके answers भी बजेंगे. और आप उसी 30 minutes में लिख रहे हो अपने question paper पे answers को आप भरते जा रहे हो. क्योंकि audio
Okay,
plays
okay, okay,
in
okay.
sequence of questions. Okay.
Okay.
Now see, for all the 40 questions, they are broken down in sections. पहले 5
Correct,
क्वेश्चन
correct.
ऑडियो बजेगा, फिर आगे और 5 क्वेश्चन का बजेगा एंड बचते जाएगा ऐसे. तो आप जैसे सेक्शन वाइज वो बजेगा, आपको उस सेक्शन के आंसर्स तभी तभी लिखने हैं क्वेश्चन पेपर में. ओके, I will give you live demonstration of how the audio plays, but right now just understand the pattern. तो आपको 30
Okay, I got the pattern.
उसी
Yeah.
30 मिनट्स में आपको आंसर्स लिखने हैं. वो ऑडियो बजता रहेगा 30 मिनट्स तक. लास्ट
Okay.
के 10 मिनट्स आपको एक्स्ट्रा मिल रहा है ऑडियो खत्म होने के बाद, जिसमें आपने जो आंसर्स आपने अपनी नोटबुक में लिखे हैं, क्वेश्चन शीट पे लिखे हैं ऑडियो बजने के टाइम, उसको आप नीटली आंसर शीट में ट्रांसफर करोगे. ओके.
Okay. Get it.
You'll get more
Yeah.
clarity when we actually look at the live sessions. Aditya, please switch on your audio audio video if possible. Kindly participate and speak to me, okay?
Hello, Adi. Hello, Adi. Can you hear me?
All right. We'll move ahead. Now, there is another section called as the reading section, okay? Now, reading section also has 40 questions and here you get 60 minutes, okay? रीडिंग में टाइम आपको ज्यादा लगता है इसलिए आपको पूरा 60 मिनट्स दिया गया है 40 क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए. पैसेजेस आएंगे बड़े बड़े, 2 से 3 पैसेजेस आएंगे और आपको उन तीन पैसेजेस में से ये 40 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. ठीक है, इसको डिवाइड 40 क्वेश्चंस को डिवाइड किया जाएगा. जैसे हो सकता है पैसेज 1 के 12 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, पैसेज 2 के 12 होंगे, फिर बचे हुए 6 पैसेज 3 से होंगे एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. 16 होंगे लास्ट पैसेज से, थर्ड पैसेज से. बट अगेन दिस इज दैट नंबर ऑफ डिविजन विल बी बेस्ड ऑन the exam paper which is set, but total 40 questions will be there and 60 minutes. There is no extra time here. You can directly write the answers in the answer sheet because passages में आप आंसर तो लिख नहीं सकते, क्वेश्चंस वहां पे छोटे होंगे तो आप उसमें भर के फायदा नहीं है. आप कोई ऑडियो नहीं सुन रहे हो तो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक होने का सवाल नहीं है. एंड आंसर्स आपको क्वेश्चन पैसेजेस में मिल रहे हैं तो आपको सिर्फ कॉपी पेस्ट करना है उन वर्ड्स को अपने आंसर शीट पे. ठीक है, आई बिलीव
Copy paste means that I can use this laptop device.
yeah, you can use the device even if you are using pen and paper. You have the passages in front of you, so you can actually copy the spelling because in reading you have all the answers in the comprehension. जैसे आपने स्कूल में comprehension किया होगा 10th क्लास में, if you remember, जो पैसेज आता है उसमें आंसर्स होते हैं, आपको उधर से
Right,
राइट
right.
पिक करके आंसर आपको कॉपी करना है. I believe both of you are for general or is it for academic?
Yeah, we both for general.
General, right. So
He's
right,
on bike actually messaged me. So he cannot start on his cam.
yeah, no problem. So जो राइटिंग का टास्क है इसमें आपको अगेन 2 टास्क होंगे. एक होगा लेटर राइटिंग, एक होगा ऐसे राइटिंग. 2 टास्क विल बी देयर. Okay.
Letter means the letter we write for the some organization, some
Yes.
like
So
okay.
very much like you did in the school, you must have done letter writing. It could
Yeah.
be an official letter or it could be a casual letter to a friend or a family member. That will
Okay.
depend on the question paper that is set. But it will be task 1 will be letter writing. Task 2 will be essay writing. Okay. Again, there are further criteria in this writing task. जो लेटर होता है वो आपको 150 वर्ड्स का लिखना है, नथिंग लेसर देन 150 वर्ड्स. ओके, आप 180 वर्ड्स तक जा सकते हो लेकिन उससे बहुत ज्यादा भी नहीं लिखना है.
Okay.
Right?
Got it.
जो ऐसे है that you have to write of 250 words, not more than 280. You can keep maximum up to 280 but not more than that. Okay. पूरे टास्क को
Okay.
60 minutes है, but you can divide it in such a way that 20 minutes you can take for the letter and
Letter
40
and
minutes you
another
can
one.
use for the essay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll request you to make notes as well as we speak. Any which ways I'm recording the session, but if you can make notes, it will be helpful.
Yeah. I understand.
Speaking will be one-on-one with the examiner. जो listening, reading and writing होता है वो एक दिन में होता है. In the examination hall where you have 300-400 students giving the exam together, जैसे आपने बोर्ड की एग्जाम की होगी, exactly like that. Okay. But speaking will be on a separate day and it will be one-on-one with the examiner like an interview. जैसे आपका ऑफिस में इंटरव्यू होता है वैसे ही 1-on-1 it will be with the examiner. 15 minutes की स्पीकिंग रहेगी एग्जामिनर के साथ. ओके,
Okay.
टुडे आई एम गोइंग
What types?
स्पेसिफिकली, या, यस.
What types question they can ask? Is this related to this examination or apart from this?
In speaking, right? So
Yeah.
today we will do 2 demonstrations of speaking, and you will also see the kind of paper patterns that are there. I will answer the questions. I will try to make you also answer the questions. Again,
Okay.
I will not be judging or rating you because you are not prepared, but this will be for you to get an experience of how the exam is. I'll move
Okay.
to the next slide.
Yeah.
So speaking is divided into these 3 parts. Okay. First
Okay.
part, you will be asked to introduce yourself. They'll ask you some very basic, simple questions like, what is your name? What do you do?
Mhm.
Tell me about your education. Tell me about the place where you stay. Tell me about what you like about the place where you stay. ऐसे बहुत ही simple question से part 1 शुरू होगा. Okay. Part 1 mein they
Okay.
will also pick up a topic and they will ask questions on that topic. It will be a very basic topic that they will pick up. On every question, you are expected to answer in 2 to 3 lines. Other than what
Okay.
is your name, okay? ये आप इस क्वेश्चन को छोड़ के बाकी जितने क्वेश्चंस आपको फर्स्ट स्टैंजा फर्स्ट पार्ट में पूछे जाएंगे, आपको 2 से 3 लाइन कम से कम बोलने हैं. Even when they ask you what is your name, for example, the examiner is Sandeep, you are the examiner and I am the student who is appearing for the exam. If you ask me what is my name, I will give a complete line answer. I will say my name is Manali Veling. I will not say Manali, or I will not just say Manali Veling. I'll say my name is Manali Veling. So a
Okay.
complete line answer is required even for the name.
Okay. Okay.
For other
Okay.
questions like where do you stay, I will say I reside in Vasai, which is in the western part of Mumbai. It comes in the extreme ends on the western suburb lines. So where do you stay पे भी मैंने 3 lines बोल दिए, right? What do you like about this place? I like that this place is pollution free. This place does not have a lot of traffic, and there is a lot of fresh air and natural beauty in this place. So I like these qualities of this place. What do you dislike about this place? Next question. I dislike very few things about this place, but if I have to pick, I will say 2 things. One is there is frequent power cut in this place, which is very disturbing. And also there is water logging in heavy rainfall. So these 2 things disturb me, which I don't like. So what I'm trying to say is basically हर question का बहुत ही simple questions आपके मेरे day to day life के रहेंगे. आपको confidently answer करना है grammar mistakes किए बगैर, और आपको 2 से 3 लाइन बोलना है. आपको हिचकिचाना नहीं है बोलने के लिए. आपको short words, single lines में answer नहीं करना है unless if the question is about your name. Okay. Other than that, all questions you should try to expand 3 to 4 lines. Now the
Okay.
part 2 of the question is a monologue. मैंने क्यू कार्ड लिखा है वहां पे. It is basically a monologue. आपने बहुत सारे फिल्म्स में एक्टर्स को मोनोलॉग देते हुए सुना रहेगा, जो काफी फेमस भी हुए. मोनोलॉग बेसिकली इज व्हाट दे गिव यू अ सिनेरियो. आपको उस सिनेरियो पे कम से कम 20 लाइन बोलना है. 2 मिनट तक कंटिन्यूस आपको बोलना है. ठीक है. नाउ not so difficult. With practice you can easily do this. In this cue card they give you time of 1 minute to think. Okay, before you start speaking for 2 minutes, you get 1 minute to think on that question. Okay, so in that 1 minute you can put your thoughts in place. They also give you a short notepad कि भाई आपको कुछ bullet points बनाने हैं, आप बना लीजिए ताकि आप जब बोल रहे हैं आप उन bullet points को देख सकते हो. वो क्वेश्चन का नोटपैड भी आपको दिया जाएगा. सो यू कैन लुक एट टू थिंग्स. वन इज द क्वेश्चन नोटपैड एंड योर बुलेट पॉइंट्स, बट यू हैव टू कंटिन्यूअसली स्पीक फॉर 2 minutes. यहाँ पे आपकी गाड़ी अटकनी नहीं चाहिए. आप रिपीटेटिव वही वही बात नहीं बोलने चाहिए. एंड यू शुड नॉट स्टॉप बिफोर 2 minutes. सो आप कंटिन्यूस 2 minutes बोलिए. 2 minutes खत्म हो जाते ही एग्जामिनर खुद आपको स्टॉप करने का सिग्नल दे देगा, which means the time is up and you've spoken really good. Please stop now. Okay. Now it comes to the third section, which is a follow-up. I'll give you time to ask questions. Okay, Sandeep, let me just cover this. Now the third section is the follow-up questions, where there are again small, simpler questions, which are somehow correlated to the scenario, to the monologue. And आपको उसके बारे में उससे कहीं कुछ कनेक्शन रहेगा. और सिंपल क्वेश्चंस होंगे, आपको उन्हें 2 से 3 लाइन में आंसर करना है. ओके, वी विल क्विकली लुक एट हाउ इट इज. यू आर सिटिंग वन ऑन वन विद द एग्जामिनर ऑन अ टेबल. ओके, and cue card में you have to give a monologue. And third section again, follow up section, where cross questioning is done on the scenario that you have spoken, but again in general. Okay, on the screen now you see there are 2 exam papers of speaking. We will begin with the one on my left side. I believe it will be your right side. Television program का जो example है, not television program वाला हम पहले लेंगे. However, if you see part 1 में ऊपर लिखा है, zoom करूँ क्या, दिख रहा है ना?
Oh yeah, it's visible.
Okay. The examiner asks the candidate about himself or herself, his or her home, work, studies, and other familiar topics. Okay. So I will be the examiner. I will be the applicant also. Right. So, hi, how are you doing today? Please have a seat, is what the examiner says to me. I will reply back, thank you very much, ma'am. I hope you are having a good day. Ma'am will reply back, thank you, I'm having a good day. Please sit. Please show me your passport. तो आपको एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में अपना ओरिजिनल पासपोर्ट लेके जाना है. एग्जामिनर आपका पासपोर्ट मांगेगी देखने के लिए. वो देखेगी आपका नाम, आपका फेस, फोटो, एंड शी विल लुक एट यू एंड शी विल रिटर्न द पासपोर्ट टू यू. सो ये इनिशियल वेरिफिकेशन एग्जामिनर करेगी. After she's asked
Okay.
to sit and verified your passport, she will ask, so what is your name? My name is Manali Veling. So Manali, where do you stay? Can you describe your home to me? I stay in Vasai. I stay in a 2 BHK room in a flat, in an apartment. My flat is very spacious. It has 700 square feet carpet area. And I feel very comfortable in my home because it is in a residential colony, which is very peaceful and surrounded with good people. Next question. Manali, can you tell me about your education? Can you stop coughing so much? It is disturbing me. Go sit that side. Yeah, so Manali, please tell me about your education. I have completed my graduation in science. I was very fond of science and I also did my master's in science in biotech. Post that, my inclination moved towards management because I was not so keen on doing research. I also did my master's in business administration. All right, could you tell me about your hobbies? My hobbies include watching a lot of web series. I'm a big fan of all the OTT platforms. I also like to travel and visit different locations, especially hill stations. And my last hobby is playing badminton. All right, thank you so much. We will move towards the first topic that I select for you, which is television programs. Manali, I will ask you questions which are pertaining to television programs. These will be very simple questions. तो यहाँ पे एग्जामिनर आपको बोलेगी नहीं कि आप 2 से 3 लाइन में आंसर करो. लेकिन she will expect that you answer in 2 to 3 lines or even 4 lines. Okay.
Okay.
I'll finish the part 1 and then I'll take questions before I move to the cue card. Okay. Now the question is, where do you usually watch TV programs or shows? Okay. I usually watch TV programs or shows at my home. I do not prefer to watch shows at anybody else's home. I feel very comfortable in my own bedroom where I have the television, and I love to watch TV while I spend my free time in the evening or before going to bed. Next question. What is your favorite TV show? I love to watch Discovery Channel. I have a lot of inclination towards science and science fictions. Also, I like to watch investigations of the past which are pertaining to human history or about lifestyle of people or animals. So I normally watch Discovery Channel. Are there any shows that you don't like? Yes, there are some shows which I don't like. I do not like the reality shows which are shown lately on most of the channels. I think they are fake, and there is a lot of friction in those shows just to attract audience, and these shows are very meaningless. Next question. Do you think you will watch more TV or fewer television shows in the future? I think I will definitely reduce watching television because I definitely realize that this idiot box is wasting my time. I would prefer to read more books. I would prefer to travel more and socialize more with people rather than watching more television shows, unless if I am getting any knowledge from it. So that takes care of your part 1. फिर हम पार्ट 2 क्यू कार्ड पे जाएंगे. तो इतने पार्ट से आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस, कुछ डाउट्स, एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू आस्क?
Yeah, like why should I tell all brief things about me, even it is not useful for them?
Yeah. So you don't have to answer truth here. This exam is to check your communication skills and how spontaneously you will answer on any question. Okay. See, this exam is to check when you are in any foreign country, wherever you want to go. Okay. There will be a lot of immigrants. You will be interacting with a lot of Canadians if you're going to Canada. How comfortable are you to speak to an unknown person? How detailed are you in giving your answers? And
Okay.
how fluent are you in your language? So tomorrow, if you are working in a foreign country, you definitely need to speak in English, right? And you will
Right.
be in a position where you're interacting with your bosses who are Canadians or foreigners, your juniors who are from several other nationalities. How well do you communicate? So this exam is not about truth or false. You can fake your personal details very much. As far as you are not fumbling, you are answering confidently in good English without grammar mistakes, they don't care about the truth.
Okay.
Okay. Any other question?
Mm, I'm good.
Okay. We will move to the next section. And this is the cue card. There's a scenario. Scenario says, describe someone you know who has started a business. Okay. There are sub questions. Who this person is, what this person does, what work this person does, why this person decided to start a business. Explain whether you would like to do same kind of business as this person. Okay. तो पहले तो आप अपने दिमाग में फट से पिक कर लीजिए कि आपको किस पर्सन के बारे में बात करना है, किस बिजनेस के बारे में. यहाँ पे कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हुए हैं. इफ यू सी माय कर्सर, यू विल हैव
Yeah.
टॉक अबाउट द टॉपिक फॉर 1 or 2 minutes. यू 1 or 2 minutes नहीं होता, ये पूरे के पूरे 2 मिनट वो एग्जामिनर बात करवाती है आपसे. ओके. You have
Okay.
1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help if you wish. ओके, नोट्स बनाना जबरदस्ती नहीं है। अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको सपोर्ट होगा तो वो आपको नोटपैड दे देंगे, आप बुलेट पॉइंट्स बना सकते हो। नाउ बिफोर यू स्टार्ट आंसरिंग दिस क्वेश्चन, एंश्योर दैट आप टॉपिक के बारे में इनिशियली थोड़ा सा, मतलब एक सैंडविच सिस्टम आई रेकमेंड ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स टू फॉलो। क्योंकि क्वेश्चन है डिस्क्राइब समवन यू नो हु हैज स्टार्टेड अ बिजनेस, आप इधर ही 4-5 लाइन बोलिए, आप कंक्लूजन में भी 4-5 लाइन बोलिए, एंड बीच में हर क्वेश्चन पे आप 2-2 3-3 लाइन बोलते जाइए। वैसे आपके 2 मिनट एंड 20-25 लाइन्स हो जाएंगे। ओके, आई विल बिगिन आंसरिंग। There are several people that I know who have started business. Today is the world of entrepreneurs. I would like to talk about someone very special to me who started a real good business. The person that I'm talking about is none other than my grandfather. My grandfather was an uneducated person who was not financially very rich. He came from a small village to Mumbai. And when he came, he was already married with 3 kids. He had to take care of his expenses, and he started a business which was in the cooking industry, in the food industry. He started his own hotel, and very soon he gathered a lot of chefs and cooks and waiters who could start cooking and serving food to customers. He decided to do this business because he had none other option. He was not educated to take up a job, and he understood that he had very good management skills without even being educated. As he started the business initially, he did not have that many customers, but eventually, due to his polite nature and the delicious food that he cooked, lot of customers started coming to his restaurant. Today, the restaurant is one of the most famous restaurants in Mumbai, and I'm very proud that he was my grandfather who established this business. I would definitely want to do a business similar to this. I may not pick up to get into the cooking industry. I might want to do something in some other industry that is my area of expertise. But I definitely take a lot of inspiration from him about starting a business with no money in his pocket, with no education and no knowledge of the geography that he came to reside in, with a family of 4, which was his wife, his kids, and himself. And he became a successful entrepreneur. So I'm very proud about him. I take a lot of inspiration, and I would love to become an entrepreneur like him one day. Okay. So आप इतना या इससे ज्यादा भी आप बोल सकते हो।
Is
Question.
it kind of question they will ask to me, or what
They
should
will
I
give
like?
this to you in a small cutting. जैसे वो स्क्वायर दिख रहा है आपको, पार्ट 2 का वो जो स्क्वायर जैसा बनाया ना, वैसे कटिंग, या तो
Yeah.
आपको चिट में ये पूरा लिख के दे देंगे। ये पूरा पार्ट 2 का जो क्वेश्चन सेट है ना, ये पूरा आपको दे देंगे, और आपको दिए
Okay.
जाएंगे 1 मिनट। उस 1 मिनट में फट 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 क्वेश्चंस देख लो। ओके, गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चंस, एंड जब आप बोल रहे होते हो ना, तो आप एक एक क्वेश्चन अपने आंखों के सामने रख के स्टेप बाय स्टेप, क्वेश्चन बाय क्वेश्चन आप आंसर करते करते चलो।
Okay.
सीक्वेंस में आंसर करते करते ब्रेक दिए बिना। अगेन, नाउ दिस नीड्स,
Sometime it can be imaginary, right?
yes, it can be false, it can be imaginary, it can be truth. All you have to do
Okay.
is answer. Okay, it is it is not going to be a facts check, it is a language check.
Okay.
Okay,
Correct. Yeah. Got
and
it.
then we will come to the follow-up question. Okay, I just have some time, 6.5 6 minutes left. So now they are asking you questions which are related to work. Okay, because उन्होंने just business की बात की, जो काम ही है business भी, and now they are asking about choosing work, कि लोग work कैसे choose करते हैं. So what kind of, यहाँ पे आपको 3-3 लाइन में आंसर करना है. So what kind of job do young people not want to do in your country? So in my country, young people don't want to do any laborious job. They want all white collar jobs which are comfortably working in AC offices, sitting in front of the laptop. Nobody wants to do hardship. Next question. Who is best at advising young people about choosing a job, a teacher or parents? According to me, young people should definitely take advice from teacher rather than from parents, as teacher has more idea of how the job market is shifting, and she will give more relevant thoughts about choosing the right job rather than parents. Most parents are stuck with their child becoming a doctor or an engineer, whereas teacher knows what is the latest demand in the job market. Next question. Is money always the most important thing when choosing a job? Yes, for most people, money is definitely most important thing while choosing a job. There are very few people who choose a job based on their inclination, passion, and interest. But several others don't even realize what their passion and interest is. They run behind money and choose jobs which are the highest paying jobs until they realize what mistake they have done. Now, जो नीचे का सेक्शन है वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, अगेन वो पार्ट 3 में भी है, लेकिन वो उस पर तब जाएगी जब आपने इनफ पहले इनफ अगर आपने आंसर नहीं किया है, उसके 15 मिनट खत्म नहीं हुए, आप छोटा छोटा आंसर दे रहे हो, तो वो और आपको आगे पार्ट 3 में पूछेगी,
डीप डाइव करेगा.
बट अगर आपने 15 मिनट पहले ही कंज्यूम कर लिया है ऊपर के सेक्शन में, क्यू कार्ड में और पार्ट 3 के इनिशियल क्वेश्चंस में, तो वो और डीप नहीं जा पाएगी.
Correct. Yeah.
Right. So I'll stop there. We have 4 minutes. Any questions that you have? Sandeep, Aditya?
Sometimes I feel like I do have the idea, but sometimes I stop to myself to explain the things. Why should I require to explain this backend?
No,
Even it is imaginary that I need to
no, see,
like.
what is the reason that you think why? I think because you are somewhere afraid or somewhere you are hesitant.
Yeah.
You don't have that command on the language, and hence you feel that ये मुझे क्यों करना है. But the moment you are extremely comfortable speaking, आपको ये मुझे क्यों करना है वाला टेंशन नहीं रहेगा. आपको ये रहेगा कि मैं और कितने लोगों से बात करूं, मैं कितना और बात करूं, मुझे इतनी अच्छी बात करनी आती है, मैं बात करूं. ओके, so that is that you will have to, before you take up this exam, work on your fluency, continuously practice speaking English. Okay, now speaking, what I took today in the demo is only speaking. Okay, I have not taken reading, writing, and listening, which are the other parts of the exam. Okay, we will get to that, but for each part, definitely you need a lot of practice, at least for you to be able to score minimum 6.57. Okay, with good practice, you can get, of course, 8.5. I have appeared for the exam. I have got 8.5, and this was 2-3 years back. Okay, but as time goes, the standard of the exam increases, and definitely for you to be a part of a foreign country where English language is the most spoken language, आपको फ्लुएंट, कॉन्फिडेंट और हेजिटेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, आप पूछे नहीं तो मैं बोलती जाऊंगी, मेरे को बहुत बोलने की आदत है.
The same thing. I don't have the this types of practice, or you can say.
Yeah, no problem. You will get the practice with me. I have trained people who were barely speaking 2-3 words in English and who have gone abroad. Okay, so your sister also is a very good example, and she did improvise. You just need to give me time. Okay, you need to give me enough time in the training sessions, and I will bring you up to the mark. You will see yourself a lot of change. Okay, I am also, other than IELTS, doing spoken English classes for people who don't want to go to any country, but they want to learn English from vernacular medium.
Learn English, yeah, for
If they can
for
speak,
their business or for their
if they can speak, you can easily speak because you are already speaking. Okay, you just need confidence, practice, fluency, and that passion to speak. And वो ऑटोमेटिकली आता है जब आपकी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है ना, आप फिर बोलने लग जाते हो क्योंकि आपको मन भी करता है कि मैं बोल के लोगों को सुनाऊं. Okay,
Hmm.
so Aditya doesn't have any questions.
Adi, hello.
All right, that's fine. I'll be taking one more demo session or either on Saturday or Sunday. So please join for
Uh,
that also. I'll put it in the group
Sunday, is it mean this upcoming Sunday, right?
this upcoming Sunday. We'll keep
Okay.
it in the night so that everyone,
Sure,
whoever
sure, sure. Yeah,
can. Okay.
yeah.
All right. You have my
Thank
WhatsApp
you.
number. You can connect for anything that you want to ask.
Sure. Yeah, yeah. Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.